Introducing CrewPODs, a new approach to crewing. A CrewPod is a modular, scalable team of trusted technicians, operators, and engineers from audio, video, lighting, camera, and staging, all skilled in live event production, all experienced working together. Unlike the typical labor pool model that relies on a hasty first-come, first-serve mentality without regard to actual scope of work, CrewPODs work together like a championship team, with strong leadership, proven synergy, and deep bench strength across all departments. What makes us unique is our decentralized approach to crew operations, which empowers each CrewPod with ownership over recruiting, scheduling, and internal leadership. That creates strong team cohesion, a deep sense of pride, and provides access to deep local knowledge. All CrewPODs are supported by a centralized leadership team to ensure standardized processes, disciplined corporate governance, consistent quality across all pods in all markets, and seamless national access through a single point of contact. Another unique benefit is direct crew access, an uncommon but powerful advantage that gives you the ability to communicate directly with your assigned crew during pre-production. This allows you to align expectations, share updates, and ensure every team member is fully prepared before the trucks roll, just as you would with your in-house staff.
For project managers and labor buyers, this translates to less time managing individual freelancers, fewer costly mistakes caused by ill-equipped crew, reduced risk and liability, safer, more efficient crews, faster ramp-up and more consistent execution.
CrewPODs are more than just local labor, they're local production partners but with national reach. Ready to try a new way to crew? Visit us online or give us a call so we can talk today about your next show.